Things like, especially like cantaloupe and a lot of the melons, they're good summer growing stuff. And so if you have it on the west side of your property, you put up a sturdy trellis. Now, sturdy trellis to me is like a horse panel fence. Places like Tractor Supply, you can get the horse paneling, or you need gaps that are, between 4 and 6 inches between the next run, and that's what you need for a lot of that. And it's got to have a good structural component to it, because if you just use a nylon netting and you're trying to grow a watermelon and you got a 25-pound watermelon trying to hang or grow off of the nylon netting that you use for peas, for instance, it's going to rip the nylon netting down, and you're going to end up with a broken watermelon on the ground.
Chain link fence would
be another one that would work well. Yeah, we like using stuff with a galvanized steel. Those are the type of things. That's why we like the Tractor Supply. We look at horse fencing and those kind of things that something can crawl up easily, and then when the season is over, I can just strip that whole panel down with a piece of wood, 2x4, just slide across it, and it cuts all the vines off, and I can reuse it. So whatever the season is, you can throw that up there and then do it again.